Encosta House by SIA Arquitectura is a stunning example of modern architecture thoughtfully integrated into its natural surroundings. Located in the peaceful coastal region of Carvalhal, Portugal, this home is designed to complement the serene beach landscape that envelopes it. The project is distinguished by its ability to create a retreat-like atmosphere, blending contemporary design with a profound respect for the environment. The architects approached the design with a focus on privacy, intimacy, and a seamless connection between the indoors and outdoors, all of which are central to the house's aesthetic. One of the key elements in Encosta House is its organization around a series of courtyards or patios, which act as transitional spaces between the interior rooms and the outdoor environment. These courtyards are designed to invite natural light and air into the home while offering a sense of privacy, a theme that runs throughout the design. The placement of these outdoor spaces ensures that every room in the house has access to its own private garden or patio, allowing for a peaceful interaction with nature even when indoors. The architectural language of the home is clean and minimal, characterized by simple, geometric volumes that give the house a contemporary feel. These volumes are strategically positioned to frame views of the surrounding landscape while maintaining a sense of enclosure and protection. The design emphasizes horizontal lines, allowing the house to blend harmoniously with the flat, sandy terrain of the site. This approach creates a subtle, unobtrusive presence in the landscape, allowing the natural beauty of the environment to take center stage. Sustainability is another important aspect of the design. The architects opted for materials and construction techniques that reduce the environmental impact of the house. Natural materials such as wood and stone are used throughout, not only for their aesthetic qualities, but also for their ability to age gracefully over time. The house also incorporates passive design strategies, such as maximizing natural ventilation and daylighting, which help to minimize the need for artificial climate control. Encosta House also places a strong emphasis on the spatial relationship between public and private areas. The living spaces, which include an open-plan kitchen, dining, and living room, are designed to flow seamlessly into one another, creating an airy, communal atmosphere. These spaces are oriented toward the beach, offering stunning views of the coastline and allowing natural light to flood the interior. In contrast, the private bedrooms and bathrooms are tucked away behind the courtyards, providing quiet, secluded retreats for the inhabitants. The material palette is both refined and understated, with neutral tones dominating the interior and exterior finishes. Light-colored stone, warm wood accents, and expansive glass windows create a calm, inviting atmosphere that mirrors the natural surroundings. The minimalist design allows for a sense of spaciousness and tranquility, with each element carefully selected to enhance the overall aesthetic without overwhelming it. One of the most remarkable features of Encosta House is the way it invites the outdoors in. Large sliding glass doors open onto the courtyards, blurring the lines between inside and outside and allowing the occupants to experience the beauty of the natural environment from the comfort of their home. Whether it's the sound of the waves, the scent of the sea breeze, or the warmth of the sun, the house is designed to provide a constant connection to the landscape. The landscape design further complements the architecture, with native plants and sand dunes surrounding the house. This choice reinforces the house's integration with the natural environment and reduces the need for extensive maintenance. The architects worked closely with landscape designers to ensure that the garden areas would evolve naturally over time, much like the coastal environment itself. In addition to its aesthetic and environmental considerations, Encosta House is also a deeply functional home. The layout is designed to accommodate the practical needs of its inhabitants, with ample storage, well-planned circulation, and flexible spaces that can be adapted to different uses. This focus on functionality ensures that the house is not only beautiful but also a comfortable and practical place to live. Ultimately, Encosta House is a masterful expression of architecture that respects its surroundings while offering a contemporary, luxurious living experience. It achieves a delicate balance between privacy and openness, shelter and exposure, creating a home that is at once a part of the landscape and a retreat from it. Through its thoughtful design and careful attention to detail, SIA Arquitectura has created a space that allows its inhabitants to live in harmony with nature while enjoying the comforts of modern living.